Welcome back guys, Automated Dad here. Today we're checking out the Bowfell Plus. A big thank you to Majority Audio for sponsoring today's video and sending out their compact soundbar and subwoofer. So without any further ado, let's get into it. On the side, you'll find the power and mode button, volume buttons, as well as the aux in. On the back, you'll find a subwoofer out port, as well as inputs for digital optical, a USB input, and the power port. The design is minimalistic, and due to its compact size, it could easily fit into a living room, bedroom, or even a PC setup and look right at home. I decided to put this in my living room setup and test it out against my TV speakers. Using a digital optical cable would probably give you better sound, but for convenience I paired this up using Bluetooth.
Alright, let's go. No, Rooster, take it easy.
Sir, Dagger 2 is re-engaging.
Alright, now hit your target and come home.
The sound from the Bowfell soundbar was a lot louder and a lot clearer than the TV built-in speakers. And even in this small form factor, the subwoofer performed really well, making this 2.1 sound system a great bargain for the price point. At the time of this recording, it's currently selling for £65 in the UK. So if you want to check this out for yourself, the link will be in the description. And once again, thanks to Majority, and please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.